Hey guys, welcome to Our Being Done Our Way. We're back at you again with another video. My wife had this bright idea that we need to remodel the motorhome. So in a few minutes we're going to come back and we're going to show you what we've done, and we're going to share with you what we're going to do. So be back.
Okay guys, this is what it looks like before. The carpet is pink. Tito keeps telling me it's beige. It's not. It's pink.
Hey guys, I'm back for a second here. Just explain to you what I'm going to do here with the carpet. I have to mask the walls out, for one, right here. And I've already vacuumed the carpet up. It has stains in it like any other carpet does. But I'm going to paint it so it doesn't matter. But I have to mask the walls and the dash and stuff so I don't get any overspray over everything. So we're going to be right back, and we're going to show you a little bit how I'm going to do this. Okay? So be right back.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know what something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? When we've read out all the parts of this story, for best the epilogue will still be in your heart in this story. Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? For best the epilogue will still be in your heart in this story.
Hey guys, we're back. I want to explain to you what I'm getting ready to do here. First off, see, we masked everything off. Well, actually the walls. We masked off the walls because I don't want to get this black all over the walls. But anyway, actually, I did a little spot there, just a little test run to see what it's going to look like, and it looks like it's going to turn out pretty good. For this job here, we're using Duplicolor vinyl and fabric specialty coating, and this is what we're going to spray. It will actually apply to the carpet, and as I'm applying it to it, what's going to happen is I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to scrub the paint in, because usually a lot of people just spray the top and it comes out all goofy looking. We actually need to get the paint down deep into the bristles of the carpet. So we're going to get started here, and I'm sure my wife will take pictures or videos along the way, and hopefully this comes out the way we want it to.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
We don't need any more heartache. Make the good turn bad. Need to wake up 'cause I'm far away, so I won't go mad.
1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. Cans. Already.
And
So-
the fumes aren't getting to you at all.
No, I'm okay. Trust me. And that goes to prove one point. I'm wearing a mask and I'm still feeling it.
Visions mixed up with reality. Make my mind unclear. Foggy waters I am floating on. Leave me left in
Hey guys, back again. Well, we got the finished product on the rug. We painted it black, and as you see, I masked everything off. I unmasked everything, and voila. Went from a brownish, pinkish carpet to a beautiful black carpet. Didn't take long. Well, it did take long. It took most of the day because you had to spray it, scrub it. I put, I would say about 3 coats of black and scrubbed every one in. I say, you know, you look at it and it's black, 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 you know, and it's beautiful. Beautiful. It turned out nice. I thought I was going to have blotchy spots and everything, but it's nice and black. It took us, I would say, 8 cans of black vinyl and seat paint. Same thing, you can use it for rugs. So this was my first, well actually it wasn't my first time doing a rug. I used to do cars, you know, but this is my first real shaggy carpet. It took a lot of scrubbing and, you know, getting the paint to get down in there because it's so high. So for all you RVers and car enthusiasts and everything that want to know how to paint carpet, and excuse me, I got a little woo because I painted all day, but this is what you have to do to get them to look this good. You got to paint it, scrub it, and keep redoing the same process till you get all the paint in there and you get rid of all the old color that was there. But I'm happy with it. You're happy with it?
I'm very happy with it.
So,
It's soft still.
yep, it's soft. It doesn't look like it's, I mean, it doesn't feel like it's been painted. It's, you know, you can rub your hand on it. It feels like a carpet. But that's my first project done. Now next going to the next one, which is probably going to be cleaning everything and dulling everything and sanding everything and start probably painting the walls first and then cut in the cabinets, and hopefully we can get this thing back together soon. But we got a lot of doors to sand and paint and hinges and stuff like that to do. So I'm sure my wife will be doing a video on everything. So till next time, peace.